So today I found these girls on Tinder and we're gonna change the oil on my Hellcats. Have you guys ever changed oil before?
No, this is our first time.
First time. Have you ever like washed your car?
Yes.
Really?
At the car wash.
Oh, at the car wash.
Yeah.
So what's your mechanic skills right now? Like what have you done?
Oil. The only mechanic thing I've ever done is just like check the oil.
Oh,
I changed the dipstick.
What about like fill your tires? Have you filled your tires?
Oh yeah.
Not only are you guys gonna change oil, but you guys are gonna change a Hellcats oil. It is ruin it. Now we're back. First things first, what are we gonna do? This is on you guys.
What are we gonna do?
We lift the car with the lumberjacks.
The
lumberjacks? What the fuck are they called?
The quick jacks. Shout out to Ben Pat. You're doing it.
Oh my god, what?
It like falls off the jack.
Knock on wood.
Her mom was like, that car's gonna fall on you.
Yeah, my mom wasn't trusting Judah. Little does she know.
She doesn't know though. I would never let that happen.
He's a pro.
It might happen though, because this is on you guys.
No, it might not happen, Judah. Judah,
Is the oil gonna fall on my face?
No,
it's not.
We don't have
I would never.
I'm just saying.
That would never happen.
I'm just saying, you would
I
owe
clipped
me.
the cut from the last video. Oh! Let me get you got it literally like you guys trying to make a bet on this? If you can do it without my help, then
We each get $200.
oh.
We go to Miami for a weekend.
Okay, that's more than $200. How about I buy you guys dinner.
Okay.
But what if you do need my help though?
Then we'll buy you dinner.
So what's the thing?
If you do it all on your own, I'll give you three tips. Like you can ask for help 3 times.
Okay, well you have to give
Like you ever watch that show, Call In, like Lifelines? You can call me in.
Okay.
You can't call like your dad and be like, Dad.
My brothers are like car geniuses, so they would instantly go probably step by
Okay,
step.
you get 3 tips. If you need my
3
help,
tips, that's it. What if I need 6?
then you lose, and then you're buying me dinner.
Okay.
Deal.
What is that?
For extra airflow.
Oh,
She's like, you're missing your light.
It makes the car go faster, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, Valerie.
But now we just made a bet. I ain't helping you at all.
He brought us
You
here
better
to
start.
humiliate us today.
Yeah, he
Google
did.
searching.
Where even is the oil thing?
The oil, I don't know.
I can't even begin to tell you what the f is under that thing. Oh no, yeah, I'm gonna. Where do you find these things, Judah?
Okay, I got a whole box full of things.
We need those things. Oh my god, okay, that white claw got me a little bit tips. Okay, we need a 7mm. And I need a hair tie.
I got you a hair tie, don't worry.
What? Are you giving me a zip tie?
This has never been done before. I'm a gentleman.
He is.
Should I leave it a little down so it's like...
Yeah, so I look a little bit more scrumptious.
Yeah. Oh, do you have to go tight?
Yeah.
Do we got? Not me.
Oh,
No.
all the mechanic kids are like, oh my god.
Wow.
That's goals.
7mm socket ratchet.
Milliliter?
Milliliter socket ratchet. Ratchet.
Because I'm ratchet.
She ratchet.
Oh, it's millimeter, not millimeter. Oh my god, we need a breaker bar? What the fuck is a breaker bar? Where do we get a breaker bar? I'm gonna look like Megan Fox. Bent over on the...
Oh, yes.
We need a 93. He said most important thing is 93mm. We need a 93mm oil filter.
I need a better operation.
I know, Judah.
You need a shop.
I need a shop.
You need a shop.
You guys need to
a garage
subscribe
shop.
so I can get a house and a shop.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to.
This is what you need. So you put it around the oil filter. You go like this.
You gotta get under the truck, the car now.
I'm so scared.
Me too, are you kidding me? I'm like nauseous.
Judah, if
Have more
we
room.
fuck up your car.
You're gonna need more than that.
She asked, where does the oil go in? She goes, a cup? Imagine I was like, yeah, I give her like a little cup and she's like,
What's going on?
I don't know if it's smart to be drinking a claw while changing the oil of a Big Daddy car.
You're being so nice to us, Judah. You're really helping us.
I'm about to be out of the dinner is what I'm about to be.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Did Rod Wave ever reach out to you?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to work something out.
Come on, Rod Wave.
Yeah.
Judah did all that.
Rod
for your
Wave.
equipment. Let's go, Rod
What the
Wave.
hell are you doing?
The people want to see you see the car. That's what they want to see.
Yes,
Like-
you have to react to Judah fixing your car,
Yeah.
dude.
Rod Wave, hit my line. You're never going to see this,
my heart
but...
on my sleeve. You're fucking lying. This is hot. Why is it hot? I'm gonna have third-degree burns.
Never. Here, try the sockets on before you put it on.
Yeah.
I found the glass slipper. Here we go, Cinderella.
Let's see.
Judah, I'm
You better
so
be in the gym. This is when
scared. Where's the bucket? No, look at your ass under this shit right now.
Down a lot.
Oh my god, it's not screwed off enough, Leela.
You're screwing the wrong way.
Yo, all I'm saying is, hey, listen, don't drop.
Oh, wow.
Yo, that was pretty solid, dude.
Yes!
Hell yeah, motherfucker.
That's better than most men, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
It's because I know how to work my hands.
Oh, really?
Oh, she's an expert.
Damn. I got oil. Is this supposed to happen? Like, we squirt it in from here?
These girls, like, legitimately, your entire life would probably, by the time you die, you'd probably never do this.
No, we wouldn't.
No.
And
It
now
worked
you
for
can, like,
Judah.
Now I understand
now
why
you can at
mechanics.
least say you did it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
because of you. Thank you for giving us this
Yeah, I'm for the people.
Opportunity.
once in a lifetime opportunity.
Make my
Any girls out there, you know, you want to change my oil, you know, hit the DMs.
Naked.
We're starting at OnlyFans, naked oil changes. That can, imagine that's like the next big thing.
Judah, I swear to God, you're sitting on unfortune there.
When we're done, we're doing the next oil change.
No, not us. Someone else in this town.
Oh my god, is it gonna squirt all over me?
For my goggles.
Is it loose?
Yeah.
Need my
You're
goggles.
dialed in, baby. Oh, she did it like a pro.
Wow, you're so good.
Teriyaki on my hands.
Teriyaki. Oh, look at it.
Come on, get it going. You think I'm paying you to sit around?
You ain't paying shit. We are here voluntarily for your ass.
Yeah, we ain't getting paid.
Do I need to change this lug nut? What is it?
All right, you're
Right
up.
here,
This
right
bolt.
here, right.
You're up, champ.
Challenger, no SRT.
If you don't have a Hellcat, don't hit my line. If it doesn't say SRT on the dash, then
I don't want
fuck
it.
out of my DMs.
Get out of my face.
Closer to it.
Is she a squirter?
Oh!
Fondue.
So a lot of people ask me why my car is so fast, and you got to put the extra pep in the step. A little bit of White Claw, that's the secret. Everyone asks me, but I mean, I'm revealing the secrets.
My car needs that.
So everyone online, make sure you put
My
a little bit.
Honda Accord needs that.
It's time. Let's see if we did it right. So you got to pull it.
You have to pull
Actually,
it
no,
and
I
then-
can't say anything. This is on.
No,
Okay.
I know this one.
All right, all
Yeah,
right.
I've done this before. Pull it back down. And put it back in the hole. Ooh. Wait.
When you're drunk.
It needs more.
I think it's mint. So now you
good.
just gotta let it start and let it run for a second, and then you check it again once you let it run.
I've been in
Now
all
you're
of his trucks.
All right, ready?
Them boys hat.
All right, so we gotta test it out. Make sure you don't blow up my motor. You ready?
Okay. Okay.
As you can see behind me, I have the PS5, Xbox, and the Yeezys that I was supposed to give away. You guys are probably wondering, wow, Judah, you scammed us. You were supposed to give it away, and you still have them. No, that's not what happened. On the last merch drop of the C8, I was supposed to give all this stuff away to people that bought my merch, and the guy that won the Yeezys just wanted the cash, so I sent him the 200 bucks. I'll send you the confirmation. I'll pop up the confirmations like on the screen so you know I'm not like lying. The Xbox, a guy in Australia won, and I wasn't gonna ship it to Australia, so I sent him the cash. And the PS5, I've emailed the kid 5 times and he has not responded to my email. So what we're gonna do, so I'm not just holding this stuff, is I'm gonna pick a new winner for the PS5 right now for the last merch drop and do it on film so you guys can see what's happening. And I'm not gonna pick someone that has an email. You have to have your number on your order so I can FaceTime you right now. So I got a random number random number generator right here, and I have my orders right here from the last merch drop, the C8 merch that I'm wearing it right now. And we're about to get a new PS5 winner. I'm hoping they answer the FaceTime because I'm gonna FaceTime FaceTime them right now. If this goes really well, they'll answer the FaceTime, but if it doesn't go well, shit, dude, I don't even know. Should I just go until someone answers? I just want to give this away because it's been sitting in here and I feel like a scumbag because I haven't given it away because I said I was gonna give it away. And when I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. Random number generator. I'm gonna do the 5th random number generator. So the 5th click, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 1340, you won. Right behind me. We're gonna go again. 1218, no number. On to the next. 1359. Yo.
Yo, what up?
What up? Yo, you won the PS5.
No way.
Yeah.
Fucking right.
So I emailed some kid and he didn't respond for like a month. And I just called another person and they didn't answer. So now I just called you, so you won.
Oh, I won a PS5 from Judah's garage. Remember the stuff I be wearing? Yeah. He just FaceTimed me that I won.
You're on video.
I thought you were about to tell me I won the Hellcat, bro.
Oh shit. Yo, you entered to win the Hellcat?
Yeah, I did enter to win.
Hell yeah, that's lit. I'm glad that you won that.
Hell yeah.
You have a PS5?
Nah, I've always wanted one. My girl wanted to get me one.
Oh shit, perfect, dude.
That's perfect.
All right, I'm gonna send it out on Monday then.
All right, sounds good.
All right, bro. Congrats.
Thank you.
Good luck. Imagine you won the Hellcat too.
I know, that would be great.
Congrats to my boy Kenny for winning the PS5. You know, dreams do come true. Well, I only got a couple fill-ups left until one of you guys is gonna be doing what I'm doing right here, because one of you guys is gonna win this thing. I hate when the handle doesn't work. You gotta sit there and hold it, pop the gas cap off, and you put it in, and that's the life hack. The time is ticking. We got about 2 months left. This is my personal 800 horsepower wide body Hellcat, and I'm giving away $5,000 cash with it. It's not a scam, it's legit. It's licensed, registered, bonded with the state of Florida, and it's definitely not gonna be given away like you just saw me give away that PS5. Like this, they pick the winner, tell me the winner, and once I get the winner's name, I'm gonna be figuring out how I'm gonna get to your house. I'm gonna either driving all the way to you, or I'm gonna ship it to you and then drive it from where I ship it to, and then drive it from there to your house, because I'm gonna hand deliver this to whoever wins it. If you buy a t-shirt, you win a Hellcat. There's no one on YouTube that's been doing YouTube for 2 years and has 160K subscribers giving away a car. So your chances of winning are really good because we haven't even had 1,000 orders yet. And since I gave the guy in Australia that won this the cash, I don't play video games and I don't want an Xbox. So if your chances weren't already good enough of winning this car, this is what I'm gonna do. In the next 48 hours, if you order on my website, you're gonna get entered to not only win the car, but also win this. So 2 days from now, on June 22nd, on my Instagram live at 8 o'clock, I'm gonna pick the winner. And if you don't see, obviously if you're not on the live, I'm gonna call you. So make sure you put your phone number on the order if you're gonna order. So it's that simple. Order between now and Tuesday at 8 o'clock and you're automatically entered to win this, and you're automatically entered to win the car. Someone's gonna win my car in 2 months, and someone's gonna win that Xbox. And maybe the next video, maybe we'll have another prize, I don't know. But all I know is that I need to pay for this car. So a lot of YouTubers will lie to you guys and just be like telling you all this BS. No, I need to pay for my car. I have $50,000 invested into this giveaway. If I don't generate at least 100K in sales on my website, I'm gonna lose money. So it's a huge risk for me. For you guys, the less orders, the better, because your chances are just gonna get better and better. If there's ever a giveaway that you wanted to support, get entered on, this is the one. No one on the internet is doing what I'm doing right now. Let's examine the competition. Logan Paul, about a year ago, maybe, I don't know, I don't keep up with this stuff. He gave away this base model, like, it might be a V8, I don't know. This thing, bro, I would not even be hyped if I won this thing. He gave this away. This is what his giveaway was. And he's got millions and millions, dude, tens of millions of followers. The next biggest person on the internet, Jake Paul, gave away his Ford Focus that's wrapped like a Fruit Loop. It is like, dude, look at this thing. This is not no Hellcat. And these guys have tens of millions of followers and they're giving away these cars. No hate, I mean, you give away what you're giving away. I guess you're giving away something, but all I'm trying to get at is no one is giving away a 800 horsepower wide body Hellcat like I am with my amount of followers. There's only a couple guys on the internet doing a giveaway this big. I don't even know where I'm going with this. I just hope you guys, you know, see the realness in this. I'm trying to get to the next level, and getting rid of this car is what I have to do to get to the next level. So go on the website, cop some merch, and the only person that's ever given away a car like I'm doing is Danny Duncan. Everyone else just calls you and then flies you in because that's the easiest. I'm pulling up to your house and surprising you because that's the best way to do it, because I want a real reaction. I don't want no fake reaction. I'm trying to have you like literally maybe shit your pants on the camera. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just talking shit, but we're doing it real. We're doing it legit. And we're doing it right. Order in the next 48 hours, get entered to win the Xbox. If you don't win the Xbox, you get entered to win the Hellcat. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and I'll see you next time.